So I've been craving that Nigerian pepper stew. Not the compulsory jollof rice and Nigeria economy is forcing on us. But as you all know, tomatoes don't turn Bitcoin for Nigeria. While still wallowing in my poverty, I came across this video where this lady cooked stew with cucumber instead of tomatoes, and I was like, waiting with this one again. But then I knew I had to try it out. I went and bought my cucumber alongside other necessary ingredients, and soon I was ready. First of all, I had to boil my meat. I put in my ingredients and rubbed it in before putting in water and leaving it to cook. Then I went ahead to wash my cucumbers thoroughly. I did most of the washing off camera, just so you know. After that, I started cutting my cucumber to remove the seed. Take note, while chopping the cucumber, taste it. If it's bitter, you peel the back, otherwise just go ahead and slice it into bits. Then I put it into the blender to grind. I did not add water just because the cucumber already has enough water. I had to later divide it into two portions in order to grind it properly. Then I went ahead to filter the water, leaving a green paste-like substance. My mom wanted the juice, so that's this. After that, I went ahead to grind my pepper, shobo, and onions to form my pepper mix. After that, it was time to separate my already boiled meat from the stock. Then I put the pot that I would use to fry my stew on the fire and put my oil to make it hot. Then I put in a chunk of onions because I love me some flavor. I put in my meat and allowed it to fry, but not so much because my mom kept shouting, "Don't fry it too much, oh!" Let me breathe. I'm using same oil to fry my stew to retain the flavor. So I removed the meat and the now scattered onions chunk and put in fresh sliced onions, cause why not? Then I put in my tin tomatoes. I know some of you by now will be like, I thought you said no tomatoes. But then I know that you don't cook stew in your house with just tin tomatoes. Because you self no say no go enter. Now allow it to fry very well before putting in my cucumber paste. I can't believe I'm saying this. Then I mixed and mixed until my village pro whispered, "It don't do." After that, I added my pepper mix, mixed it again, and allowed it to settle before adding my meat stock that I had set aside. Then I covered the pot and allowed it to cook. When I could see the oil on top, I added my maggi, curry, salt, and so on, just season to your taste. Then I allowed it to cook again. Then I mixed it all up, let it simmer for a while before re-adding my meat. When I watched the tutorial, I was scared because even though it looked fine, it may not taste fine. But after tasting this, I can boldly say that the taste was fine. Will you try this?